There are 5 ways to clean your house like a cleaning service. I know, it's exciting, right? I'm going to share that with you today. Hi there, I'm Angela Brown, and this is Ask a House Cleaner. This is a show where you get to ask a house cleaning question, and I get to help you find an answer. Now, today's show is brought to us by housecleaning360.com, and that's a service that partners house cleaners with homeowners. So if you don't want to clean your house, then forget about these 5 tips and go hire a house cleaner at housecleaning360.com. And if you are a house cleaner, race on over there and make sure your business is listed so that when people in your area go looking for you, they will find you. housecleaning360.com. All right, on to today's show, which are 5 ways to clean your house like a cleaning service. So let's say, for example, you have some friends that are coming over for a party and you want to make them think that you have a cleaning service, but really you don't. You just clean your own house. So here are the 5 ways. The very first thing that we're going to do is we're going to clean all the flat surfaces. I mean, all of them. So if there's anything that is horizontal, you're going to clean that. That's going to be all of the seats of all of the chairs. It's going to be the seats of the sofas. It's going to be all of the countertops. It's going to be all of the tables. It's going to be the stairs. It's going to be the floor. It's going to be everything that has a flat surface. And I'm talking end tables, baker's racks, kitchen cupboards, counters, the top of the fridge. If it's a flat surface, you're going to clean that. Pick up all the clutter and put it away. All right, item number 2 is all of the glass. We're going to go through the house with some glass polish or glass cleaner, and we're going to clean all of the glass items. So if they're end tables and there's a little piece of glass in there, you're going to clean that. All the fingerprints have to go. You're going to clean all of the mirrors. Mirrors are also made of glass, so all of the mirrors. Then you're going to clean the entryway windows because those too are made of glass. And if there's anything else that's glass, like glass picture frames, you're going to clean the fronts of all the picture frames. So if there's anything glass in your house, you're going to wipe that down. All right, and while we're in the polishing mode, we're going to go through your house and we're going to polish everything. So if you have furniture polish, we're going to polish all of the flat surfaces. This would be the tops of the tables and the armchairs of the chairs that your guests might sit in. It's going to be any of the legs of the furniture or any bookshelves or anything that you have with wood on them. You're going to polish that. If you have stainless steel appliances, you're going to polish the fronts of those. So you're going to polish everything so it just gleams and it's shiny. All right, the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to vacuum all the floors. So if you have a dust mop and you have hardwood floors or you have ceramic tile, you're going to use a dust mop and get up all the debris and junk and hair and all that stuff. And if you have a vacuum and you're going to vacuum the floors that have carpet, you're going to vacuum all the floors and vacuum your way out of the rooms. Now, we will talk about mopping in another episode, and if you have time, you can also mop the floors, but at least you want to vacuum and dust mop all of your hardwood floors. So at first glance, everything's going to look nice and clean. Then the last thing, the 5th item, is you're going to take out all the trash. So go to every room of the house and empty every garbage can that's there. Because if guests come over and they open underneath the bathroom sink and there's a full garbage, they're going to go, oh, they haven't cleaned this in a while. But if they open it up and there's nothing inside, they're going to go, wow, a cleaning service was just here. So those are 5 things that you can do to tidy up your house and make it look really great if you want people to think you have a cleaning service. All right, let's go back over these one more time real quick. You're going to clean all of the flat surfaces. Number 2, you're going to clean all of the glass and mirrors. Number 3, you're going to polish all of the furniture and your stainless steel appliances. Number 4, you're going to vacuum and clean all of the floors. And number 5, you're going to take out the trash. So those are 5 ways that you can make people think you have a cleaning service. All right, I hope this helps a little bit. If it does, pass it on to a friend. Who knows? Maybe they have company coming over as well. And until we meet again, leave the world a cleaner place than when you found it.